everybody! Today I'll show you the fresh one plate suitable for this season. Shabu-shabu soba. I hope you'll enjoy it. The main ingredient is, of course, soba, thinly sliced pork. So I'm using radish, watercress, roasted sesame, Japanese ginger, myoga, and shiso leaves. For mentsuyu, dashi, sake, light soy sauce, mirin, and soy sauce. First of all, making mentsuyu. You add sake, mirin, and light soy sauce into dashi. When it's boiled, add soy sauce. Then, let it boil completely. After turn it off, let it cool down, and put it into the refrigerator to make it cold. To make a shabu-shabu pork, you add sake into the boiling water and soak the pork into it for about 1 minute. Put them into water to cool it down. Now, making soba according to the package. Rinse it to take the slime and take all the extra water as much as you can. Topping with all the fresh greens and herbs. Of course, the shabu-shabu pork. Then, roasted sesame. Finally, mentsuyu. Iただきます。最高! So please enjoy this chilled soba with this seasonal herbs and greens. This is really suitable for this season. It's gonna make you nice and fresh. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.